March 3rd, Julian Crypto. Nothing here is a financial advice. Let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. Big rise of Bitcoin from that point to here. But fortunately it's not USD comparison, it's ruble, Russian ruble. Yeah, as you can see, Bitcoin to Russian ruble looks like that, and Bitcoin to US dollar looks like this, unfortunately, right now. And probably we are facing the increase of price during next couple of days. But before, right now, and maybe today, maybe we will see some Bitcoin dumping, a little bit dumping, just because of technical analysis. Because if we will analyze on-chain data metrics, and for example here and last 2 days, so we can see that nothing changed especially. Also on stablecoins reserve, nothing changed especially. So we are taking last few months. This is November, December, and right here a little bit of selling pressure from long-term holders. It may cause a little bit of price dumping. Also the fees are really high right now in the short term, so also it is not a positive sign for the Bitcoin price. But in short term, of course, yeah. So in short term we may go maybe probably down to the lower level where we can go. Let's take a look at here. Nothing, I cannot tell you nothing right here, because here are not the support zone are not visible, because they are not big support zones. But let's take a look on VPVR. So by looking at the VPVR, it seems to be maybe this point, $39,000. First look. Let's take a look. Or maybe here, $41,000. You know, something like this. Okay. But of course it is only analysis for now, for today, and in the next couple of hours it can change, of course, dramatically. Remember it. And what we can see here, stablecoins, yeah, and what we can see here, yeah, Bitcoin realized cap, age bands. So basically, this chart is showing when the long-term holders, so these guys, or these guys are starting phase of accumulation Bitcoin, and the price, yeah, good price, all right, good price. And right now the start of accumulation Bitcoin. Of course, it's not, we are not saying that the price couldn't be even better, like it was in the past here, or like it was in the past right here. Okay, so remember this, that we are not saying that the price wouldn't dump, but historically the moments like this was the moments which were really close to the cycle dip. Okay, and what about the world? So Ukraine started accepting Dogecoin, other cryptocurrencies, for donations, as funding rises to 35 million in cryptocurrency. Janet Yellen says US will freeze and seize wealth of Russian oligarchs. So according to this information, maybe we will see some hard actions in the Russian government, in Russian leaders, who will know what will happen to Putin next days. And because of that, crypto may be fluctuating, maybe going higher or maybe going down. Basically, it may go in short term. In short term, maybe today a little bit lower. Of course, we will see what will happen. And Bitcoin sanctions could be next? I don't think so. Bitcoin is decentralized. Bitcoin is borderless, like we're writing. So nobody can limit Bitcoin. Nobody can stop Bitcoin right now. Of course, Chinese delegalized Bitcoin, but they only can punish their citizens by delegalizing it, by giving them penalties. But it's not possible to just stop that people to use Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is borderless, is decentralized. It doesn't respect national boundaries. Okay, and that's all. Extremists harass minority refugees arriving in Poland from Ukraine. Witness report. Yeah, I was on few stations, fuel stations, and petrol stations, and many refugees in hotels, the whole country. And Dragonfly Research claims Ethereum is the MS-DOS of blockchains. Research shows that throughput on Solana surpassed the leading EVM chain by a wide margin, leading research to predict that competing layer 1 chains will outdo EMV chains. Okay, and for today that's all. If you want on-chain data, go to this site, Max Data Charts Apps, Max Data App Charts, and here you have the on-chain data. And if you want alerts, just on our Telegram tools, many of them. Okay, and for today that's all. See you guys and have a great day. Bye bye.